How to turn on two-step verification on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on two-step verification on TikTok. In order to turn two-step verification on TikTok, firstly open your TikTok application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now here tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner of your screen, and then at the bottom you'll be able to see this pop-up menu. From here select settings and privacy at the very bottom. By doing so, you'll be taken to the settings and privacy page. Now here under account section, you'll be able to locate security and permissions. Simply tap on it and inside it look for two-step verification option. At the right side, you will see the current status. If you haven't added two-step verification yet, you will be able to see the off option. Now to add it, simply tap on it and here you will need to choose at least two methods for verification. You will be able to select the phone option, authenticator, email or password. If you select phone option, you will get the verification code in your SMS, and if you select the email, you will get the verification code in your email. And if you select the authenticator, then you will need to download an authenticator app and then tap on the box right here. You will need to copy the two-factor authentication key shown on your TikTok and then add the code in your authenticator app. After that, you will need to wait for the verification code from the authenticator app and then add it in the TikTok. By doing so, you'll be able to add authenticator app on your TikTok. This two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your TikTok account. And once you enable it, you will need to enter a verification code in addition to your password whenever you log into your account. Here it is recommended to set up more than one method so that you can select a different method if you have trouble receiving your verification code. From here, you may choose any one of these options to add two-factor verification to your account. For now, I'm selecting the phone option. Simply check the box at the right side of the phone option and then tap on turn on. Now here you will need to enter your phone number. Make sure to enter the correct country code too. Once after entering your phone number, tap on the continue button below and wait for the verification code. And once you get that code, enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, it will start verifying the code and then you'll be able to set up two-step verification on your TikTok. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn on two-step verification on your TikTok account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.